Welcome back to the OpenAI Associate Developer course. In this section, we've delved into various configuration properties that significantly influence the AI's responses. We've covered parameters that drive the creative process, like temperature and presence penalty, and those that help the AI evaluate probabilities and statistics, such as top P and logic bias. Let's recap the key points we covered in this section. First, we looked at the temperature property. Temperature is used to control the randomness and creativity of the AI's responses. By adjusting this value, you can influence how imaginative or predictable the AI's output will be. Higher values make the responses more diverse, ideal for creative writing, while lower values result in more deterministic and focused answers, suitable for factual or scientific contexts. Next, we explored the top P property. The top P property is about limiting the AI's pool of token choices. It restricts the AI to the top percentage of likely tokens, ensuring the responses are both relevant and contextually appropriate. This property is great for fine-tuning the AI's behavior to produce more predictable or varied outputs based on your needs. We then discussed the seed property. The seed property is crucial for achieving consistent results. By setting a specific seed value, you can ensure that the AI generates the same response to the same prompt every time, provided all other configurations remain unchanged. This is especially useful for debugging and testing. We also explored the presence penalty property. Presence penalty encourages the AI to introduce new topics and avoid repetition. By penalizing the use of already mentioned tokens, this property helps generate more diverse and expansive content, perfect for creative writing or brainstorming sessions. Next, we looked at the frequency penalty property. Frequency penalty works similarly to presence penalty, but focuses on reducing token repetition within a single response. This helps in creating more varied and interesting outputs, especially useful in descriptive or informative content generation. We then covered the logprobs and top logprobs properties. Logprobs provide insights into the AI's confidence in its token choices. By enabling this property, you can see the log probabilities of each generated token, which helps in understanding the model's decision-making process and debugging responses. Complementing logprobs, we explored the top logprobs. Top logprobs extends the functionality of logprobs by showing the probabilities of the top n most likely tokens at each position. This helps in exploring different possibilities and fine-tuning the AI's responses. And finally, we discussed the logic bias property. Logic bias allows you to adjust the likelihood of specific tokens being selected. By setting bias values, you can encourage or discourage the use of certain words, tailoring the AI's output to better meet your requirements. In summary, we explored various advanced configuration properties that influence the AI's responses. These properties, when used effectively, can enhance the control, variety, and precision of the AI's output, ensuring it meets the specific needs of your application. For now, this concludes our section on the OpenAI Chat Completion API call. In the next section, we'll dive into the OpenAI Image API calls, exploring how to leverage this powerful tool to enhance your solutions. Stay tuned, and let's continue enhancing our AI-powered applications together.